Welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. Today I am going to teach you how to say a prayer. It's meant for special occasions like birthdays for children. And I am going to go over the pronunciation in Hebrew, the transliteration, and the English translation. So here we go. Up on the top, Baruch Atah. This is an abbreviation again for Adonai. I repeat that in most of my lessons. Eloheinu Melech HaOlam Shenatan Lanu Banim Yikarim Uvanot Yikarot Lis Moach Bachem, and it means praise to you, Adonai, our God, sovereign of the universe. You give us precious children in whom we praise. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this short Hebrew prayer. Please do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss any future lessons. And please support this channel if you are enjoying it. And in Hebrew we say Lehitraot, which means see you later. Peace to you. Shalom.